Hello, this is Law Office Asin. Today, I'll explain what to expect if you're being investigated by the police, using a real-world scenario as our guide. When you get that call from the police, it's easy to panic and think you can just go in, explain yourself, and it'll all be over. But the truth is, an investigation has already started, guided by the initial complaint and the evidence they've collected. This means how you structure your case before you ever step into that interrogation room is far more critical than anything you say on the spot. Criminal cases aren't just about the name of the crime, they're about the key legal issues. For theft, it's about possession and intent. For sex work offenses, it's about payment and awareness. For sexual offenses, it's consistency of statements and objective circumstances. For insurance fraud, it's the flow of money and conspiracy. Even if a situation feels outrageously unfair to you, it will be recorded as cold, hard text. That's why we designed the order of your statement by breaking down the facts, timeline, and evidence. You need to approach it with structure, not emotion, to stay strong through the later stages. How you handle the police investigation sets the stage for potential prosecution and trial. It's not about explaining everything at once. It's about separating what you'll admit from what you'll contest. We decide whether to take a case based on the direction of the evidence, the potential for it to expand into a civil case, and the real-world risks involved, not on emotion. Our focus isn't on persuading you to hire us, but on helping you understand your current situation and your options. Criminal issues often lead to civil ones involving settlements, damages, and debt collection. Winning a lawsuit is one thing, but actually being able to recover what you're owed is what truly matters. We design a structure that can lead to asset investigation, seizure, and enforcement. A judgment without enforcement is not a real solution. For real estate disputes or rental fraud, we examine the contract structure and property rights together. With a certified realtor's qualification, we analyze the contracting process and the title history. Similarly, in family law cases like divorce, property division, and custody, we focus on a long-term strategy that considers future disputes, not just emotional reactions. Cases where immigration and criminal procedures are intertwined are handled as a single, unified process, not separated into criminal, civil, and administrative parts. We've been managing cases from the initial consultation through investigation, litigation, and enforcement since opening in 2014, building on experience that started in 2009. We have always maintained an approach centered on explanation and preparation. This is the standard we apply across criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law here at Law Office Asin. If you need a consultation, please check the description below. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.